हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं इंटेलिजे, क्योंकि हमें डेवलपमेंट सीखना है। तो फर्स्टली गो टू द ब्राउज़र, क्लिक ऑन सर्च बटन एंड सर्च इंटेलिजे आइडिया डाउनलोड। देन come to the first site. Here you can see the proper UI for the IntelliJ website. Just don't click on first site because it is not free. It is only free for 30 days. So if you have lots of money to waste, then you can buy. Otherwise, just scroll down. Here you can get the Windows download link for the IntelliJ application. Just click on download and wait for the download. After the download, you can see here you have already downloaded. Just go to the application location, just double click and start the installation process. It will take some time. Click on next button, then select the folder where you want to save the application. Then click on next. If you want to create the shortcut, then click on IntelliJ, or you want to update the JDK path, then click on add and then just click on next button. Here you can see the lots of application, okay, which you want to add it. So I'm just skipping. Directly click on next and install button. So it will take lots of time to install. Just wait. It is installing. Before that, you must have to install or downloaded the Java JDK version. Otherwise, your Java program will not run on the IntelliJ IDEA. Then how to check that whether you have installed or not? Just go to the search and click on command prompt. It will open. Just type Java underscore, sorry, hyphen version. So you will get confirmation that you have already downloaded the Java. Then you can run the Java program successfully. So I have installed Java version 17, so I can easily run the program. Don't worry, I will tell you how to run. Okay, just wait to complete the process. It is very time consuming process. क्या करे, हो जा भाई डाउनलोड जल्दी से. It is working fastly. Once it is installed, we run the one Java code. Just make sure that before installing IntelliJ, you must have to install Java JDK, so we can compile the program and run the program. So I don't want to reboot it because automatically recording will stop. So I will manually reboot it later. So just click on finish button. Okay. Now go to the file location where you have installed the IntelliJ, or you can directly run the IntelliJ. Where is the application? So we have already created the shortcuts before installing the IntelliJ. Okay, so just click on IntelliJ IDEA community. It will take some time because we are firstly using first time we are using IntelliJ in my PC. Just click icon from that and click on continue. Data sharing, no, don't send. So we have successfully installed the IntelliJ. Now I'm creating one project, or you can clone the repository from the GitHub, or if you have already existing project, you can take it or drag and drop the project into the IntelliJ. So we are creating one new project. Click on new project. Just give the name fast project first. Where you want to store the, okay, leave it. Just click on IntelliJ Java version and create button. So guys, we have successfully created one project. Okay, first project you can see easily. First project where we have created one main method. After that, we are writing one code line, system.out.println, system.out.println, and just in double inverted comma, hello YouTube, take Dheeraj channel, and put it semicolon after the round bracket. Just here you can see the run button, and here you can see the debug button. Okay, it will give one suggestion that alter int, remove the reference. Okay, just click on run button. First time we are running the program, so it is building program. Then see guys, here we have got one error that java.io.print stream cannot find symbol. Which symbol? System.out.print println. Okay, we have made one mistake. Now I'm again running. See guys, we got hello world program. In that we have just made simple changes and print the output in console that hello YouTube technical Dheeraj. Okay, so if you have liked this video, do subscribe. Okay, bye.